It's a certified 2016 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, multi-function steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Car and Driver adds, the Accord hustles through turns with fog-free steering and little complaint from the tires and never seems to be working very hard. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
For a great selection of quality vehicles, call, click, or stop in to Bill Marine Honda today. We're conveniently located at 579 East North Street, Springfield.